Hi water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is your Gem in your tarot reader. So water sign, alamin natin kung ano ang iyong love reading. Ano ang iyong sitwasyon about your love life. Ano ang iyong energy about your relationship. Just a reminder, water sign, this is a general reading. So this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Water sign. Give me your main energy. Water sign about your love life. Give me your main energy. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Water sign, give me your main energy. You have pathway, new beginning, new opportunity. Try to look for a positive energy. Tignan natin ang connection ng iyong main energy. Ano ang connection ng pathway sa iyong love life? Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Water sign. Four of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. The Wheel. Eight of Pentacles. Seven of Wands. Ace of Cups. So with the Cups, there's a water sign involved, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. With Wands, there's a fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. With Pentacles, there's an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I'm seeing in your energy, water sign, na parang find your happiness. Find the one you love. Even though mag-struggle ka, along the way, may mga challenges na dumaan sa buhay mo, diba? Don't lose hope. Find your way out. Find your destiny. Diba? Don't be scared o don't fear. Huwag kang matakot na magmahal at masaktan. Kasi yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung makaramdam ka ng so much love and appreciation. And one day, if you will have it, and you found it, this is some kind of new cycle para sa'yo. Siguro dati, sarili mo lang ang inaalala mo, walang ibang nag-aalala sa'yo, pero this time, try to look for the opportunity na may magmamahal din sa'yo. Just don't lose hope. Kasi one day, your energy, your will turn around. Kung feeling mo, forever ka na magiging single, don't lose hope, di ba? Find your way out. There's an opportunity. Makakahanap ka rin ng taong nakalaan para sa'yo. Tignan natin kung ano ang connection ng iyong main energy pathway. Diba? Mature man. This is a strong energy of someone na can provide you security, stability. Diba? Find someone na mag-aalaga sa'yo. Find someone na ibibigay yung mga pangangailangan mo, like a mature man. This person is some kind of energy na kaya niyang i-provide yung mga pangangailangan mo. Just find your way for a new opportunity of a relationship. Kasi meron at merong nakalaan para sa'yo, para mahalin ka, alagaan ka. Someone who will take care of you. Kasi parang nakikita ko na parang okay ka na sa pagiging single, walang pinoproblema. Pero mas maganda rin kasi yung makaramdam ka ng so much love. Siguro yun yung matagal mo nang inaantay. You're waiting for that right time to come na makaramdam ka ng appreciation from someone. Makaramdam ka na parang secured ka kasi mayroong taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Parang ang tagal mong nagpakabisi sa sarili mo na pagiging single kasi tingin mo, hindi ka na makakahanap ng someone na magbibigay ng so much love sa'yo. Diba? Don't lose hope. You have Ace of Cups. Don't lose hope. There's an opportunity of love para sa'yo. Just be open for it. Don't control your emotion, your feelings na magmahal mulit. Magmahal. Tingnan natin ang iyong love oracle. Water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Healthy choices, di ba? Make healthy decision, healthy choices in love and in life. Being happier, separation, sadness, missing you, thinking about you. Maybe you are yearning from that kind of feeling na being in love. Missing someone. Kasi parang there's a situation in your life na sinarado mo na yung feeling mo na makaramdam ng pagkamis, ng ma-in love ulit. Kasi parang nagpakabisi ka sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa buhay mo ngayon. Kasi tingin mo, akala mo sa sarili mo na parang hindi ka na makakahanap ng someone na nagbibigay sa'yo ng so much love and happiness. I like you. Someone likes you. Gaya ng sabi ko, there is someone. There's an opportunity of love for you. Romance is blooming. Want to date you out. There's a mature man. Someone who will give you security and stability. Not enough. Frustrated in relationship. Maybe, parang ikaw yung tipo na you have this kind of fear and issues na baka lokohin ka lang, saktan ka lang, gaya ng mga nakikita mo sa ibang relationship. Don't compare those relationship sa maaari mong ma-experience. May kanya-kanya tayong story ng relationship. Depende na yan sa mga person na involved sa sitwasyon. Diba? Not enough kasi feeling mo, baka danasin mo lang yung dinadanas ng ibang magkarelasyon. Kaya takot ka. Takot ka to open your heart to love someone. Diba? Pero there's a pathway. Find your way out. Don't fear. Don't hesitate for a new opportunity of love. Kasi outdated, over in your head, replaying events. Maybe may nangyari sa iyong sitwasyon na hindi naging maganda. Maaaring because of that, kaya naging reason kung bakit takot ka magmahal ulit. Takot kang umibig. Because something in your past situation, hindi naging maganda. Mirror. Self-image. Reflect our wounds. Maybe, iniisip mo na baka magaya lang yung relasyon mo sa iba. Na nag-e-end sa wala. Na walang opportunity. Diba? Don't lose hope. Don't give up for love. If you are destined to be with someone, hindi mo yan mapipigilan. Try to be open for a new opportunity and new possibilities. There is someone for you. Water sign. If you just believe na there is someone na nakadestiny para sa'yo, ask your angels. Ask for guidance. And it's a yes. Nasa sayo na yan. If you believe, tingnan natin ang oracle guide para sa iyong energy. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Oracle guide. Nothing will come of this situation kung talagang i-close mo yung puso at isipan mo sa new opportunity of love. Be bold and make the first move. Diba? Make an action. Take action. Do not hesitate. Don't fear. And you and your loved ones are safe. Just trust. Kasi kung ito ang meant for you, water sign, wala ka na magagawa. Kundi, just accept and be happy for it. So thank you, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, water sign.